this video, let's continue number 5 in a percentage problem. The compound calcium carbonate can be broken down to form carbon dioxide and calcium oxide. So calculate the kilograms of calcium oxide that can be produced from 80 kg of calcium carbonate. So we need to find the formula mass of calcium carbonate and calcium oxide. So in calcium carbonate, this is number 5. Calcium carbonate, so 1 mole of calcium and 1 mole of carbon, then 3 moles of oxygen. So equals 1 times 40.078 is equals to 1 times 12.01 is equals to 3 times 16. So equals 1 times 40.08, which is 40.078. 1 times 12.01, so 12.01. 3 times 16, which is 48. Over, find the sum, 40.078 plus 12.01 plus 48 is equals to 100.01 grams per mole of calcium carbonate. And how about the formula mass of calcium oxide? So 1 mole of calcium oxide and 1 mole of calcium and 1 mole of oxygen is equals to 1 times 40.078 and 1 times 16. So 40.078 plus 16. So 40.078 plus 16 is equals to, formula mass is equals to 56.08 grams per mole of calcium oxide. So we need to find the kilograms of calcium oxide. So we need to find the mass in, so mass of kilogram of calcium oxide is equals to, we have 80 kilogram here, so 80 kilogram of calcium carbonate. So 80 kilogram of calcium carbonate times the molecular weight, which is 100.01 kilogram of calcium carbonate, and then 1 mole of calcium carbonate times 1 mole of calcium carbonate, 1 mole of calcium oxide times the molecular weight of calcium oxide, which is 1 mole of calcium oxide, and then 56.08 kilogram of calcium oxide. Okay, so you need to cancel out the kilograms, cancel out 2. And how about moles and calcium carbonate? Cancel, and cancel for here too. So the left is 58.08. So the left is kilogram. So kilogram of calcium oxide is equals to 80 divided by 100.01 times 56.08, so equals 44.86 kilogram of calcium oxide. So that's it. Okay, the same unit molecular weight from grams per mole to kilogram per mole are the same. So note 100.01 grams per mole is equals to 100.01 kilogram per mole. The same unit, you need to change it into kilograms. Okay? And that's it. Please like and subscribe.